Hey guys, this is We Are ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the FINDER Garden Hand Folding 230mm grinding saw. And this is what it looks like when you get it in the packaging. And so I'll take it out of the packaging. I already opened it. And it's nice because the instructions come on the back how to cut with it. But here it is. And what you do to open it is you press this lever. You pull the blade up and it's opened. It's very easy, very nice. So some features about it are it has an ergonomical design. It has small cutting resistance and it's not easy to damage. But it's really easy to trim branches or cut boxes with. I've done a lot of things with it, so it's very multi-purpose. It's made of 65 magnesium steel material with a high hardness, wearable, and durable design. It has a sharp edge, as you can see. Very sharp edge. It's not easy to rust, and it has a TPR and ABS anti-slip handle. Here's the handle. It's very lightweight, which I really like, and it's suitable for high altitude tree pruning and bonsai shearing, landscaping, and high altitude fruits. If you want to see the link to this, it is in the description. Yeah, so please click on that. Okay, so here is a branch that's dead, so I'm going to show you how it cuts. And the branch is clean off like that, very easy to do. And if you want to add this to your knife collection or your sharp objects collection, I would suggest getting it. It's really cheap. It's only $16, and it's from gearbest.com. So, okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.